What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So one of the unique features of having the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus is the collaboration between Microsoft and Samsung with Samsung DeX. Now it's available now for your Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So one of the questions you guys may ask is, why would you use a laptop and DeX when your laptop got full Microsoft features? Well, let's go on and let me give you some reasons why DeX is a little different from Microsoft. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm going to talk a little bit about DeX. And the DeX software is available now for your Windows PC. So a lot of you guys may ask the question, well, why would you download DeX on the laptop? All right, let's go in and go over some features here, right? So you got your Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and every time you plug it up to your PC, it's prompting you if you want to use the DeX software. It's now available, but you do have to go to samsung.com/DeX and download the software. If you have a Windows PC, you download the Windows software. If you have Mac OS, you download Mac OS. All right, so that's the first thing you do. So plugging up your USB Type-C via USB to your laptop, right? And you plug it up to your Galaxy Note 10, you're going to get a prompt. All right. So once you do that, you go to your drop down menu and now you see DeX for PC. All right. So once you click on that, obviously it's already starting. All right. So now we are in the DeX environment. Right here we are in the DeX environment. Now let's go to talk about why would you use the DeX environment over this basically using your laptop. Well, let's talk about one thing, a few things here, but let's talk about some key pointers. First thing, if you are using your Galaxy Note 10 and you're doing some Word documents or something like that, and you want to finish it off on a bigger canvas, you plug this up and now you have a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, that you can get work done on a bigger canvas. So that's one of the unique features of plugging up your phone and having DeX running on your device, right? It's because you want to use a bigger canvas as far as if you was doing a Word document. Like for me, I do Excel spreadsheets. I do Word documents. And if I start on my phone, it would be nice if I could finish it off on my PC. So that's one unique thing that you could do here via DeX. All right, so, and again, it's running in the background environment. As you can see, I could minimize this and I'm going back to my regular PC. And if I blow it up, I am back on the DeX environment. The second unique feature of having the DeX on your laptop, just say your laptop, if you are on a business trip, right, and your hotel has really bad internet service, and you cannot connect to the internet, or you're at a coffee house or anywhere that does not have internet access, you can use your phone LTE internet access to go online via DeX. Let me show you this. Okay, now I am not in the DeX environment. If I click on my regular PC here and try to go to a website, .com, boom. All right, so right here, since I'm on my regular PC and I'm not in the DeX environment, I'm unable to use my internet. So as you can see, I can't, I'm on apple.com and it's saying we're having trouble finding the site because check your internet connection. I am not connected to the internet. But if I go to the DeX environment, and I can go to internet right here. Let me go to the internet right there, and I'm on Google and I see funny cat videos and I click on that and boom, I have internet. And using the DeX environment, now I am able to use my laptop speakers if I wanted to watch a movie or watch YouTube, whatever. And I'm using my phone. Wow, let's get out of here. I'm now using my phone internet as far as me connected to the web, so I can watch my movies, I can watch YouTube, I can watch everything in between via my phone internet to my PC. So that, all right, so another unique feature is that as you can see that it has a new Galaxy Note 10 wallpapers. You can change the wallpaper. You can use this basically as a PC. Now you're able to use this as a PC. Now you can run all your documents. You can browse the web. You could do all kinds of other things right here in the DeX environment. You could go to your photos. You can make your phone calls, which yes, now you're able to make phone calls via on your laptop. And now I can use my phone and I can talk to somebody via my speakers and my mic on my PC. So that is a huge unique feature from Samsung using the DeX. Now, one of the things that Samsung have done is put the game launcher on here, and these are some of the games here that's highlighted right here that's I'm able to use in the game environment via DeX. These games down here that's kind of waved out, I cannot use these games. So just say for instance, I want to play Asphalt 9. So basically I click on it and I want to resize it. And now I'm able to play all my games that's on my device to the DeX environment that's available in the DeX environment. All right, so now here we go, and as you can see, the graphics on it is nice, and we're gonna play it. I want to kind of give you guys, let y'all guys see the speed and the fluidity right here from the DeX and DeX software. So let's go on and play. And again, this is Asphalt 9. So just a disclaimer, let me turn the volume down a little bit, and it's very loud. Just a disclaimer, guys. Not every game in the App Store will be optimized to play on DeX, just so you know. Now, look at the graphics there, right? Which is great. And now it's giving you key pointers on, yes, you can use the keyboard, right? So now it's telling you these are the buttons if you want to use the keyboard. Now, that's a very smart move that the DeX environment now can prompt you to use your keyboard if you want to play games. So you can get business work done, you can make phone calls, you can use the internet, you got the DeX environment. Now you can play games via DeX. So this is very unique, this is dope. And at first, when you talk about, well, why would you use your laptop with the phone using DeX? I mean, and this is the reason why. It's because these are the things that you can't use your laptop for. Now, yes, you can download a game on your laptop. That's perfectly fine. But why not just have it on your phone and use it in the DeX environment? All right, so another unique feature by using DeX is your photos, right? I mean, you do have access to your gallery now. So this, say for instance, you want to show off your photos to a client, or again, any type of business environment, or you just want to kind of see your photos. Now, here are your photos, right? So I have all my camera photos here. I have, I've been using Filmic Pro. I have some downloads. I got some screenshots. I got some screen recordings, stuff like that. So now you have access to your phone photo album, which is dope. So you don't have to, sideload anything. You could just look at via DeX on your computer. All right. So having DeX on your Galaxy Note 10 Plus brings up a whole horizon, and I'm getting notifications right here. A YouTube video channel that I watch just popped up here, and as you see the sidebar here, you do have some unique features right here. If I click the keyboard, and let me show you my Galaxy Note 10, just say you wanted to use your Galaxy Note 10 keyboard, let's go to click that, and boom. So that brings up the Galaxy Note 10 keyboard if I want to use the Galaxy Note keyboard as a keyboard of choice. That is pretty dope. So if I click it, boom. If I unclick it, boom. All right. So you do have some quick settings there. You do have all your notifications. All right, so you have all your notifications there. You do have YouTube that I believe I got open. You can expand it out. You got your battery life, which is I'm at 34%. And it is charging my battery as I'm on DeX. So no worries about battery life on the Galaxy Note 10 when it comes down to using DeX. All right, that is it. That's what I'm talking about. Using DeX on your Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. It's a very dope feature. I like it. I'm glad that Samsung did some different stuff here, collaboration with Microsoft to get this done, and let this go to clean off my device so y'all guys can see the beauty of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about DeX in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. This is dope. DeX on a PC is dope. Later.